Well, I first learned about Mendix about 2.5 years ago when there was a drive in the company to get people RAD certified. Hello, my name is Jeffrey Dunn from Jabil's Global DF team. My background is in solving problems and delivering solutions using analytics and data. I think one of the better things that I see that I like about it is having the security and the identity and access management sort of done right out of the gate. So when you create a new microflow, when you create a new page, that's going to be sort of baked in to the application already rather than having to go back later and doing that. So I think that is a key advantage of Mendix. Oh, another thing that I really liked about developing in Mendix is having sort of that console there. In the console you have the errors that show you sort of in real time what needs to be improved in the code, such as when you add a new page, it's going to flag anything for you that needs to be taken care of before that app can be deployed.
We manage Mendix application software quality using a tool called QSM. We were introduced to QSM through Mendix and Expert Services. We use the tool to look at our entire landscape and ensure that all the applications are hitting a minimum baseline based on a rating of 0 to 5 stars.
Well, in terms of deliverables, we are, let's say, delivering the same. However, what we are trying to do is to have more reusability of the components, to be able to share the solution between the sides, because that is something that we have not achieved very well in the past with traditional development.
We are never starting from scratch. There is a platform, there is a number of microflows, there is a number of nanoflows. There are components that can be reused. There is a user interface that can be reused and standardized. And there is a user experience that is expected by our customers. So since the work is partially done, it's easier to justify that cost, and it's easier to get a return of investment on any application that we want to do. That's why there's a number of applications that can be done if we would be doing this in any other coding language.
We need to promote change within our teams, Mendix, cloud, AI, etc. So we need to, let's say, encourage people to try new things, also to reward, for example, when they do a proof of concept, when they achieve a certification. So we need to motivate our employees to be creative, to bring new ideas to the table.
We've leveraged Mendix to do a few proof of concepts with AI. Some of the out-of-the-box connectors within the Mendix public marketplace we've brought to our private marketplace and hooked up to some AI capabilities. Our first proof of concept, we used AI to basically learn our process and look at all of our documentation, so we could ask a question to a chatbot and get an answer on how to start the process or where to look for certain documents. Another use case we have for AI we've tried a proof of concept is working with our incident management tool and Mendix AI to reduce MTTR, or mean time to resolution. Basically, if we have an incident, we want to use Mendix and AI to solve the incident faster, reduce downtime, and get people back up and running.
Moreover, when I think about Mendix, I think about democratizing the coding. Because if you democratize the coding, your limit is whatever you would like it to be. So you're thinking about, okay, what do I need to make my work more effective? What can I do in order to make my work easier? If I have access to a local platform, I can go there and try to upgrade my work, enhance my work. And with that, sky's the limit, right? Because I can do anything.